Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to get the link of the Discord channel of Marvel Rivals. For that, simply go to your mobile browser and write. Here you go. The link is here. Just choose the first one, Marvel Rivals, and here you go. Accept the invitation. Okay, now I am the member of that channel. Thank you for watching the video.